Morning, children. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story of the King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. Children, इससे पहले भी मैंने आपको कई स्टोरीज सुनाए और सभी स्टोरीज के पीछे एक मोरल वैल्यू होता है। आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में भी इस मोरल वैल्यू को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करना, तभी ये सभी स्टोरीज सुनने की सार्थकता होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दैट you have subscribed my channel, and if you have not, then you do it so that you will get more interesting stories to listen, and you will get the portion of literature and language of your syllabus of your different classes. So students, now let's start the story on the base of the intelligence of the King Solomon. The story is titled as The King and the Bees. Okay students, long years ago in Jerusalem there was a king, and it is said that the King Solomon lived for 3000 years, and he was a great king and powerful king. And not only that, he was very intelligent and honest king, and his subjects were very happy in his period of rule. Once upon a time, the Queen of Sheba, she came there, and she already heard so many stories, so many legends about the great King Solomon. So one day she came to the palace of the King Solomon to test him, to test his intelligence. Okay students, you see in the picture that the queen came in the palace, and she brought some flowers, two garlands of flowers. रानी सेवा की रानी, सेवा देश की रानी दो माला ले आई थी, एक ही तरह का, एक ही जैसा रंग, एक ही जैसा साइज और शेप का दो फूलों की माला ले आई थी. She brought two garlands of flowers, same color, same shape and same size. Nobody could recognize the difference between the two garlands. The queen asked the King Solomon that without touching the two garlands, you just identify which is the artificial garland and which is the real garland of real flowers. रानी ने राजा से पूछा, आप बताइए महाराज, कौन फूल की माला है, असली फूल की माला है, और कौन नकली फूल की माला है. Without touching the flowers, बिना छुए हुए, all the courtiers, they were amazed, they were surprised. Without seeing, without touching, without smelling, how could the king recognize the real garland of flowers? Then you see that was the test of the intelligence of the King Solomon. Salman smiled. After some time, he opened the window, and after that, what happened, students? A swarm of bees came there, and they all the bees they sat on the real flowers, because nature always knows the reality. The originality cannot be hidden in the nature. प्रकृति में हम कोई भी सच्चाई को छुपा नहीं सकते। इसलिए शायर ने कहा, सच्चाई छुप नहीं सकती बनावट की उसूलों से, महक आ नहीं सकती कागज की फूलों से। Now the students, you must have understood. Then the King Solomon smiled and said, Queen of Sheba, now the bees have given my answer. राजा सलमान ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, ये बीज, ये नेचर ने आपको आंसर दे दिया। The Queen of Sheba, the bees have given my answer. After that, the queen also replied, King Solomon, you are wise king. You gather knowledge from the little things which common men pass by unnoticed. So that students, you know that in our nature, in our surroundings, we ignore so many things, but we should learn from there. The natural beauty cannot be compared with anything else. God has made all the things, all the natural beauty and all the natural creatures. They know the originality of the things. Okay, students, I hope that you have enjoyed this story, and later on you will get so many. Okay, goodbye.